In today's video, I'm going to teach you to increase spending power on American Express. Think of spending power as the amount American Express is comfortable letting you put on your card at any given time. It isn't always a fixed limit. It can adjust based on your behavior, your account history, and your financial profile. The goal here is to show the bank you're reliable, predictable, and growing, so it gradually trusts you with larger purchases. First, pay your balance in full and on time every single month. This is the single strongest signal you can send. On-time payments prove reliability, and paying in full shows you're not stretching beyond your means. If it helps, set up automatic payments for at least the statement balance and add calendar reminders a few days before the due date so you can review charges and avoid surprises. Consistency here builds a spotless track record that American Express rewards over time. Next, use your card regularly and scale your spending thoughtfully. Make everyday purchases on the card, and when it makes sense, add larger or more frequent transactions you can comfortably pay off. The keyword is gradual. A steady upward trend in responsible usage tells the system you can handle more. Variety helps too: groceries, travel, subscriptions, and occasional big-ticket items, because it creates a strong, realistic spending profile. Then make sure your income information is current in your account settings. Updated income can directly influence your spending capacity since it frames what level of purchases makes sense for you. Keep it accurate and up to date, including any legitimate increases. Don't guess or inflate. American Express may verify, and accuracy supports long-term trust. You can also use the Check Spending Power tool in the app or on the website before a big purchase. Type in the amount you plan to spend and get a quick read on whether it's likely to be approved. This doesn't place a charge or a hold. It's simply a helpful indicator that can save you time and awkward declines at checkout. If the result is lower than you expected, try a slightly smaller amount or build more history first. Finally, avoid missed payments and high balances. Even if your card allows you to carry a balance on certain transactions, regularly running high amounts can signal risk and reduce your flexibility. Keep things manageable, pay down charges promptly, and let your clean history do the talking. Follow these habits consistently, and your American Express spending power can grow naturally and reliably over time.